With a first video in a couple weeks, doing a quick test on my old screen recorder, just due to the fact that I've been having issues lately. As it stands, I'm currently using my old Java screen recorder again. The other ones I've been using just haven't been working out too well, so I've decided to go back to basics with this one. So I'll only be able to use YouTube, won't be able to do Twitch. I've already tried using XSplit Broadcaster. That thing just almost destroyed my computer, so I was like, okay, time to go back to simple things. I'll let TXP-Net10 do Twitch, I'll do YouTube. That way, we'll all have something to upload. As it stands, Cam Studio works sometimes, doesn't work all the time, so I'll have to do another test of that later, but as it stands right now, it doesn't look too bad. So, later I might be doing a Minecraft video, or might be, actually, I might be able to do Skype again, but I don't know. But as it stands, TXP-Network will continue. I'm making a new version of the TXP File Explorer, known as File Seeker, under Dragonfly BOS. Gathering a lot of resources lately. Take a look at those links if you want to. Pause the video whenever you like. And if you recognize any of these, you might be able to actually get a glimpse at what I'm thinking about. It's an old idea that I'm bringing back, one that I kind of threw off to the side for a while. So if you recognize any of those links, I won't be talking about them, but if you recognize any of those links, yeah, well, I'm bringing back an old idea. As it stands, I'm doing a lot of other things as well. A couple new commands and things I'm adding in a lot of variables to take care of new tasks that I'm going to be having it take care of. As you can see, thread pool items and stuff like that. System resource management. I'm going to be adding in the garbage collection header file soon also, so that'll definitely amp up all the features on it. I'm pretty much constructing the system right now based upon a system resource managing thread pool that'll allow for the execution of multiple apps. All the apps will be pretty much built into the command prompt item that I'm building until I figure out how to actually make C++ call other external C++ application files. I'll probably have to construct a custom data stream for it, but it'll be worth it. As it stands, I have not worked in the GUI yet because I'm currently trying to make sure that the command line is sufficient enough to actually add something to. Currently working on none of the search engines, unfortunately. The search engine might be postponed. I don't know, but as it stands, all of the work's been put into TXP File Seeker so far in the rest of the system. I'll attach that to the bootloader probably sometime at the end of this summer. So far, I have 2 copies of Dorent.h. I have embed files and for MIPS compilers and stuff like that. Stuff that I can actually use. Currently, the JSA is also being worked on somewhat. And this is my GC. Yeah. Garbage collection. I'll be working on that definitely as well. So you can see the system's... Wait, speaking of system, it's going to be based off of macOS again. Yeah. It's going to be using that bootloader. For HTML parsers, though, I actually found one. The thing is, though, I haven't downloaded it yet, and I haven't figured out how to use it yet because I've been working on TXP, BOS, and File Seeker for a long time. Besides that, as it stands, I probably won't be doing another update on GitHub repositories until later. So far I'm working on my application archive type. that's going to be coming along rather soon. I would show off this stuff, but at the same time it's quite awkward, quite complex, and I don't really want to go into that. But I am willing to go into one item, main paradigm.cpp, C++ file. It's going to be a CGI file that's going to be run locally. I've actually acquired some resources that could allow me to run it locally, written in primarily C++. What I could do is incorporate it into the operating system. Operating system is going to be open source, and what I could do is every time that a CGI file is actually selected, I could automatically have that set of libraries and local CGI automatically start up, and when the actual CGI file program itself is activated, the runtime environment will already be running in advance. But I don't know if I want to do that right now, or if I want to wait until a later version of my operating system. It might also come out as an operating system add-on. This is not guaranteed to become a part of the executioner program protocol, but nonetheless, I'm definitely working on it. I'm doing tests as we speak. I just had to do a reset of my whole entire account recently, so all of my stuff is now pretty much online or on thumb drives, and I move everything and pretty much wipe my whole entire desktop where I stored everything. But as a plus of having stored everything on my desktop, it was easier to move everything off. So yeah, I don't really store much in the way of anything on the system. Speaking of things I moved offline, there are new Minecraft skins. Let's go on and check out the skins directory on TXP-MC. TXP-MC will be receiving some, how should I say this? Well, new updates soon. After I update the Reading Room 101, the updates for Reading Room 101 will be coming around the end or middle of this month. The reason why they have to come before the end of this month this time, though, is because if they don't come by the end of this month, I will complete the update, but I won't be able to actually apply it until like July because of the fact that I'll be out in Europe. Yeah, I know, Europe. But anyway, that's that. And I've also uploaded some new art to DeviantArt, so if you want to check that out, look up Top Hat Productions 115 in DeviantArt. And, well, I think that's all for now, viewers. So this is TXP-Technologies signing out, and for more information, check out the TXP-Network software development page. And this is the TXP-Network. Welcome to the galaxy. Signing out.